Hey friends! Welcome to the vegetable garden. Today we're going to learn about some yummy and healthy vegetables. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at this bright orange vegetable. This is a carrot. Carrots are crunchy and sweet. They grow underground and are packed with vitamins to help you see better. Here's something that looks like a tiny tree. This is broccoli. It's green and full of vitamins that keep you strong and healthy. Say hello to the cucumber. Cucumbers are crunchy and cool. They are perfect in salads and sandwiches to keep you refreshed. Here's a red vegetable that's also a fruit. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a tomato. Tomatoes are juicy and delicious. You can eat them in salads, sandwiches, and sauces. Next, we have a potato. Potatoes are soft and starchy. You can cook them in so many ways, mashed, baked, or fried. Yummy! Look, it's a pea. Peas grow in pods and are small and green. They're full of fiber and protein to make you strong. These are just a few of the amazing vegetables we can eat. Remember, eating vegetables helps you stay healthy and strong. What's your favorite vegetable? Thanks for learning about vegetables with us today. Keep eating healthy and try new veggies every day. Bye-bye, friends.